Hello everyone, welcome to Savirasa channel. I am Jayashree. Today I will be sharing a tasty and easy way puffed rice laddu recipe for making. Puffed rice laddu ingredients: puffed rice 4 cup, jaggery 1 cup, fried peanuts 2 tablespoon, ghee 4 teaspoon, poppy seeds 1 teaspoon. First, boil jaggery in a half cup of water in a wide vessel. Strain it once the jaggery dissolves. Allow the jaggery syrup to boil until it thickens. Add ghee while boiling. When the jaggery syrup becomes very hard and turns golden in color, remove it from the flame. Immediately add roasted peanuts and puffed rice and stir it well. Finally, add poppy seeds and stir. If you find it difficult to make balls, you can make pieces. Take a plate and spread a layer of ghee on it. Then pour the jaggery mixed puffed rice into a wide plate and immediately cutting the pieces. Moisten your hands with water and quickly shape into balls. Note that the jaggery mixed puffed rice should be rolled immediately while still hot. After making the balls, let them cool and keep them in an airtight container. Similarly, you can make delicious laddus using white sesame seeds and groundnut seeds. Simply replace the puffed rice with sesame seeds or groundnut seeds. It's delicious to eat and children love it. When I was a child, I loved eating puffed rice laddus. They were really tasty and had a great flavor. We had a sugarcane jaggery house at our farmhouse, so I got a taste authentic jaggery. I still remember how delightful it tasted even now. That's it for today's recipe. Thank you for watching.